You know our next race is against the bees, right, Anki?
Oh, yeah. Right.
I'd enjoy the view. If it wasn't for this crazy heat.
Check it out. A retro refresher to keep my head cool.
What a fine specimen of a lion of far carnivorous. It can rip a drone apart in a single bite.
We're not letting any overgrown weeds get in our way.
The water lily marsh may look like a dream, but the lion lilies could quickly turn it into a nightmare. Ha ha ha! Now let's get training!
I'm not gonna let a couple twigs slow me down.
Quite the talent, eh, Neptune? Neptune?
I'm not feeling so good.
There's no way I'm flying blind through a bunch of hungry lion lilies. Let's go around, Oro.
We got all the gear you need to make it safely, Flora. Turn right 90 degrees. Pitch 32 degrees in 3, 2, 1, dive! And left! And right!
It's so unfair. How come we never get cool gadgets like that?
Great teamwork from the bees!
What's going on, Jilly? Jilly, straighten up!
Looks like Flora and Bumblebee are having some technical difficulties. Whoa, what's going on?
What's the matter with them?
Well, it's way too hot to catch a cold, so the genies must be allergic to pollen.
Jilly? Allergic?
What a fascinating discovery!
Speak for yourself, Wyatt.
Switch to aqua mode. There's no pollen underwater.
Oro, Aquadrone mode!
That's better.
You'll still have to surface to cross the gates.
Sorry, Oro, going up.
Yeah, I know! I'm trying my best!
I've lost all control of Bumblebee!
I suggest we suspend the training. All right, Jordan? You're going use all of your brain power to overcome this strange allergy, if you hope to win.
Wouldn't it be easier if we just wait till the lilies stop blooming?
Nonsense. Droners must learn how to work with nature, and this will be quite a challenge for you engineers.
What?
Challenge accepted.
We'll see who's the best engine nerd. These allergies are no good.
A quality sample. I can't wait to study it back at the lab.
Looks like Anky's got the advantage this time. No one knows nature better than him.
Totally. He's like a walking encyclopedia.
Excuse me.
Hear that? Anky's the best. He's so smart. Blah, blah, blah. What about us?
Chill, Fuzz. We'll show everybody we're the best engine nerds around.
You've got this whole pollen thing on lock, right, Anky?
I may have the solution already.
Huh? Really?
Fighting fire with fire.
I don't like the sound of that.
It's simple. We give Oro a high dose of pollen so he develops a natural immunity against the allergy.
You sure about that? It sounds a little extreme.
Uh-huh.
It sounds way too simple to me. Will said this would be a challenge, and Fuzz and Buzz probably already came up with that idea.
Trust me. Like Flora said, I always come up with a solution. It's simple, but effective.
I, for one, am open to other ideas.
No one knows nature better than him.
Ready, Oro?
If you insist.
Huh?
I knew it would work.
It's ready. It's a robo-bee to help with research. Cool, huh? Now we just gotta download the bee pollen library into it.
This forest is full of medicines, and this little guy's gonna find ours.
Y'all are so awesome.
It's not what you said before. Anky, Anky, Anky.
Anky's the best. Anky's so great. Why can't everyone be like Anky?
Oh, don't be like that. I'm sorry. You two are the best.
You know it.
So what do we do?
So, fighting fire with fire, huh?
More like an epic fail.
Okay, maybe we need a better idea.
No kidding.
I need some quiet time to think. I don't get it, Frog. It's just an allergy. The plants and the flowers usually talk to me, so I should know what to do. Flora probably thinks I've already found the answer. Wait till she finds out I'm totally stumped. She'll think I'm lame, won't she? Oh, I'm the worst. Well, nobody will ever know. Great, Mumsy's online. Hello, my sweet island cactus. About your problem, rain will help stick the pollen to the ground. Only a 10% chance of rain for the next 3 weeks? Oh, this stinks. Find a Phylacea tree. Its sap is a powerful anti-allergen, especially against marsh pollen.
Pollen is such a pain.
I hope Anky figured it out.
Yeah, he will. He's the best.
Yes, thanks, Mumsy. Yeah. You know, nature hides no secrets from me. Well, I'm off to the forest. I'm gonna need to borrow Frog.
Sweet! I knew you'd come up with something. You always do.
Yeah, that's me, all right. Mr. Ideas Guy.
Isn't it a little risky going to the forest alone? We should join him.
Monkey rail paw prints. We're heading the right way. They like to gnaw on sap, like from a Phylacea. Come on.
It's working. The robo-bee's leading us straight to the antidote.
Hey, Anky's on the same track.
Monkey rail poop. Let's head east.
Hey, Yankee, what are you sniffing?
Nothing? Nope. Nada. Just hanging.
Oh, I get it. No worries. We're competitors. We don't have to help each other. I should head back to my team. We got a lot of work to do to catch up with you.
Yeah.
The robot found it! Oh, no.
Aw, he passed us.
Oh, cool. A Phalakia.
This ain't over yet.
Are you crazy? Catagobblers are dangerous. You could wrap him in a cocoon.
Look at it.
Oops. Oh, man, we didn't realize.
Yankie's gonna get catagobbled.
It's freezing.
Run, Yankee, run!
Phew. Thanks, guys. I'd have been catagobbled without you.
We're sorry, Yankee. It's all our fault.
Thanks, Flora. Frog warned us. What were you thinking, Yankee? If you got what you need, let's head home.
Good going, boys. How are we gonna get the sap now that we've got an angry catagobbler to deal with? Fuzz, what's up?
This.
That's not the tree Yankee used. That means he got it.
Wrong-o. The great Yankee's a dummy boy.
Oh, yeah. That's no Phalakia tree. What's he thinking? That's the Phalakia.
Team B rocks.
We're gonna put a stop to your sneezing with this Phalakia sap antidote I made. All right.
Great. Now what do we do?
Oh, I'm an idiot. Catagobblers never hang around Phalakia trees. They hate raw tree sap. How could I forget?
Maybe you got distracted?
Oh no, we're done for.
You can say that again.
There's no point in even going to the race. We're doomed.
Back it up, you guys. We haven't lost yet.
You're right. Tiki's never give up. Come on, Oro. Let's go.
I don't wanna.
Ah, nature, in all its springy glory. Drowners, welcome to a race that's sure to get your hearts pumping.
Keep cool and focus, Enki. I know you'll figure something out.
Uh-oh, I guess not everyone has solved our little pollen problem.
I can't take it anymore, Wyatt. I need a dose of the bee's medicine.
Drowners, prepare for takeoff.
Oro, front load. All right, let's surface. The gate's just ahead.
But.
Superb glide.
free! Enki, find us a solution! Quick!
What's going on?
Jelly's allergies are back. You might say, this race is nothing to sneeze at. Huh? You see what I did there?
No problem. We're on it. The antidote doesn't last long, but it's a good thing we got tons of it left.
Oh.
Sorry, Oro, we gotta surface. The gate's coming up.
But the water's so nice.
Watch out, Oro!
I made a rookie mistake. I charged straight ahead without thinking.
Hey, Yankee.
Huh?
A good engine nerd always comes up with a good solution. Besides, it's no fun beating you guys if you've already given up.
I know, Flora, but I don't control the weather. I can't make it rain.
Well, I know you'll come up with something.
Oh no, Neptune! We're almost out.
Hey, Mouse, what's that?
This? Oh, my cooler cap. Just something I made to stay chill in this heat.
That's it. The catergobbler lowers its body temperature to create its fog. We don't need to make it rain. We can just make it foggy.
Huh? How are you gonna do that?
Your cap, I'm gonna use your cooling patches. We're gonna lower Moreau's temperature to create an anti-pollen barrier. Minus 20 degrees, you're good to go.
Are you sure about this?
Totally. Okay, not 100%, but it's not like we got any better ideas.
Let's test it in action!
Did Tiki find a miracle cure?
Yeah! Eyes on the prize! We haven't won yet!
Hold on, Jelly. The finish line's just ahead. Let's go!
I don't know if we got enough antidote to make it, Flora.
If Jelly has another sneezing fit, we're done for. Almost there, Jelly. One last push.
Keep it up, Cordo. We've almost caught up.
It's going to be a tight finish.
you'll win.
What a win for Team Tiki, who fought till the end.
See, I knew you'd find a solution.
Actually, I'm not as much of a genius as you think. I was all out of ideas until I saw Mouse's cap. I should have told you guys that I was totally stumped.
It's kind of our fault, too. We let you do all the work. It should have been a team effort, not just the engine nerd.
We shouldn't put so much pressure on you. Everyone makes mistakes. I mean, except me.
You know, we could have just postponed the race, Wyatt. It would have saved me a lot of sneezing.
True, but it wouldn't have been as funny.
Oh no, don't tell me the pollen's back.
More like I caught a cold from all your freezing patches.